Dear friends, my name is Venkat Shivakumar, and these videos I am making about my what I can say life history. The object of this video, a series of videos, is what were the challenges that I faced as a very middle class person, how I could solve, how I could handle them, and what are the lessons that one should learn, because invariably all of us would pass through these troubles, and if you sustain the game, then success is yours. This is called perseverance. So in short, this is a life story of me. I am Venkat Shivakumar. About me, little background about myself with reference to the particular issues that I am going to take. Before I say something, I don't want to belittle any person, because those people who troubled me, in fact, helped me to face the life with challenge. So that means when God is with you, nobody can be against you, is the lesson that you will derive. I am my father is we are from Andhra Pradesh, settled in Chennai, and my father is in the film industry, was a costumes designer, and he has worked as a costume designer for 302 films. N.T. Ramarao, A.N.R., Krishna, Shobhan Babu, Shivaji, Savitri, large number of people. But my father is not an educated person, formal or informal. Informally, yes. And my whole life story is around my mother. And my mother taught me more than anything else is that I am capable. Always my mother used to tell me, I am very capable. My son is very capable. I have one elder sister and younger sister, and but my mother used to continuously say to everyone that I am a very talented person. My father produced films, as a result of which we lost all the money, and he was not well thereafter, and then later he died. That is a different story. But certain values, my father used to always tell me, you will never lie. By whom you most times never lie. Don't lie. And others' money is not your money. It will never stay with you. It will never stay with you. And everything is Lord Venkateshwara. He is our deity. These are the issues we learnt. More than that, formal education, the type of behavior, whatever you feel like you keep talking, and you may, this is a problem with many of people like me. middle class people. That apart. It was a situation to me once. Before I start on this, I would like to tell you. One person by name V. Murali, Chartered Accountant, Central Council member of ICA and then CA. Now ICAA is there. A good friend of mine. Nice man. He asked me, you are having so many cases filed against you by Chartered Accountant Institute, none other than CA. And CA Institute is having huge money. They can appoint the best lawyers. And you may disciplinary case, criminal case in Delhi and another civil defamation case in Chennai. Criminal case, 5 to 6 cases are there against me. He also told me one word, if I were in your position, I would have committed suicide, but you are always smiling. I remember this. Before I go into the subject, another situation I must explain that changed me is, there is one Mr. T.N. Manoharan. He is a past president of the institute and all blah blah blah, so many things are there. This gentleman, I'll tell you in my story, but one day when I asked him to help me out, because he made a promise to help me, first time I heard in my life, my father, nobody abused me, but this gentleman was the president of ICA that time. He told me, what the hell are you thinking? You will comment on people in your paper and you will decide who is good, who is bad. Who are you, I say? This is an institute portion. I have read this petition, criminal case filed by ICA. You are going to go to jail. Be assured of it. I will see that you are in jail. This is the second one. Third situation, most important points. One Mr. Santana Krishnan, about whom we will be discussing. One day suddenly he came to my house. He will not come into the house, outside he will call. Then I went, I was in deep troubles, legal problems, all these things. And he told me, Vama, poi paal saapidalama, Saravana Bhavan hotel. That means he told me, come, we'll go and drink some milk. He's a big man. So what is that, at 10 o'clock he comes and asks me to drink. Then after some time he told me, the CA Institute is going to file cases against you throughout India, so that you will be busy only facing the cases. So Bhupati has decided like this for you, he said. Then also he said one more word. Now you are made enemies of everybody. Except me, you have made enemies. Oh, he's like, my whole body shivered, honestly. That was the situation. Let's get into the subject. I will start. I'm a chartered accountant. I did chemistry from Pachapas College. I got gold medal in chemistry. Then I jumped into CA. I don't know what is CA, but my mother wanted me to study CA. I joined, knowing nothing about CA. Then I passed CA. I was working in Bombay Mutual Buildings, Road Transport Corporation. It's a group companies, seafoods, transport, leathers. I used to work, I was very young, 21, 22 years. I got a big job there. Then I also got my friend by name Mr. Ram Subramanian. He was a legal consultant to that company. We both were good friends. He is very, very intelligent person, lawyer. He has got very beautiful English, wide knowledge. Me as a chartered accountant, not big, we are always working on figures and money. Then one day we both were going down in the road, Bombay Mutual Building opposite to the High Court. We were just walking together after the work. One fellow told, both of us got hold of both of us, and he told him first, Ram Subramanian, you will become a very big man in law. He doesn't know that this Ram Subramanian is lawyer, I am CA. He told him, you will become one day a big man in the legal field. He was shocked. He doesn't believe in horoscope. He is very rationalist with lot of knowledge on all religion, Vedas, anything he can talk. Then he saw me and said, you will become a teacher. He told me that. You will become a very good teacher, he told me. So somehow I applied the logic that he doesn't know us at all, and I was teaching in a small way. So I took passion to teaching. I molded as on date more than 2 lakh students I taught. I focused on creating students, good students, because I felt a poor student, if you can get sponsors, teach them freely and mold them, particularly if it is girls, then their families will be very happy. So I would have created a lot of wealth to the nation. I was very convinced. And I was very successful in education, very successful. I was one of the best 500 students. Myself, my friend Nagarajan sir, he is a wonderful teacher. I am no match to him. And then one Mr. Bhupati, income tax. He was an excellent teacher. People used to stand in queue. I used to run like an institution. Nagarajan sir used to run like institute. All subjects we used to teach. I was also teaching in Meenakshi College because it's near my house. Completely I am into teaching, that's all. And I grew, and at that point in time, the land value in Chennai, one ground is 5,000 rupees. I remember, just to tell you, I was coming on the road, on the way in Nesapakam, KK Nagar, the mango garden. Few people sat there, asked me, sir, you want to buy? Hey, what is this? I said, we are plotting it. If you want, we'll buy. We'll register in your name, then you can pay us the money. I gave my address. I told him, you give me 4 grounds, 20,000. You come to my house, I'll pay. And they gave and took it. Today, that 5,000 rupees worth of ground is 2 crores of rupees. Whoever has invested in land have become good, very good. My friends and all, we were investing in land, that's fine, that we didn't do anything wrong. That apart. So, I was teaching, and it's a competition, and I am from Andhra, Telugu. But many all Andhras used to join me only. Everyone. Today all the top Andhra CAs are my students. No questions. So, that time CA Institute means great. Nobody can talk against the CA Institute. I was facing lot